Hi, I'm Helen from the Royal Astronomical Society, and we're here with Arrate from the University of Leicester, who's been working on some of the Juno data. So can you tell me a little bit about that?
Hi. Yeah, well, I've been working for the last 6 months so far in Jupiter's atmosphere now. I'm specialized in analyzing data from ground-based telescopes and so here from Earth. So yeah, that's a bit what I do.
Wow, and you looked at Saturn's atmosphere before that, is that right?
Yeah, I did my PhD in Spain about Saturn's atmosphere, where we study the dynamics of how like a storm moves and how they create, and what's the relationship between the storms and the seasonal changes and things like that.
So what do you prefer?
It's a bit difficult to answer that question. I think Jupiter is being really interesting lately because we have Juno mission. So we've been having discoveries that we never, like things that we never expected before. So Jupiter, is like really exciting right now. But I think Saturn has lots to say too. So I would say both.
Yeah, they're both awesome. Cool. Thank you very much. It's been a pleasure talking to you. So I'm Helen, and we'll see you in the next video.